What a nice day it's turned out to. There, I've turned my camera around for you. I've got the other one up in the summer house. I'm just cutting my grass. Done this side, just need to do that side. Topped up all their baths. The hose is still in it. So we're just waiting on the birds now. What is it? Chips Feral White. That's just jumped out the trap, guys. That's not from the toss. This is Dalton. I've went straight from Crockett Ford to Dalton. So you might have to wish me luck. So yeah, I'll get back to you when the birds come. That clock's wrong. It's 6:30 coming up for. So I'll get back to you hopefully very shortly. But what a gorgeous night, considering what it was like this morning. So I'm cutting my grass and waiting on the birds coming. So I'm currently sitting in the garden waiting for the birds coming for Dalton. I hope I've got my camera the right way around because I'm not really good at this. I'm looking at the wrong side of my phone to start. See, the camera's up there, but I'm looking at the button. So yeah, they've went from Crockett Ford to Dalton. The video that started pausing at 5 minutes yesterday will be up tonight with this toss. This toss is going to be my longest toss. Just hope they can do it. But they have had quite a few 5 mile and they've had a 10 mile toss. So Dalton, it's like another 10 on top of that. It's 20. But it's a beautiful night, clear skies. I'm just hoping they can do it, which they should. I just worry too much. So yeah, then I might give them a day off tomorrow because obviously the trauma I have been in a police compound overnight. They weren't up nor down, but yeah, it's just traumatic, isn't it? That wasn't my fault. Can I just put that out there? It's my bank's fault. Declined the payment because I spent it all. Yeah, so it's sorted now. Road tax, insurance, and 6 points for jipping £600 down. But we'll not talk about that anymore. I don't think he watches my channel very much. So yeah, a beautiful night in the garden. Birds, just give them a bath. We'll put a bath in, they can have a bath if they want. It's a bit late at night now, but it's 20 degrees or something. So yeah, I just need to cut that side of the grass. I've done this side. I need to do that side. My lawnmower's sitting there ready to go. So I will get back to you hopefully when we see birds. Dalton's usually 40 minutes. Usually about that, but depends whether he puts them up together or not. Or because it'll be a clash of sheds. Mine's like flying with his and vice versa. Just used to flying in their own wee cleat. So I'll get back to you shortly, I hope. I could just sit in here watching my birds. Put a bath in for them. It's a beautiful night, isn't it? They should come straight over them trees or just in the gap in the trees there, but sometimes they just come over them trees. So I'll get back to you when they come. Oh, I missed them. Just as Jip came home every time. Let's see if any's landed at my shed. The camera's on. Let's see if there's any landed at this shed. What have we got here? A wee checker hen. Wee checker hen. You going in, big girl? Come on in. Come on. There should be more hungrier now. See that? See how it trapped? Just saying, caught their food. Another cloud. What a beautiful night for a fly. I should be watching my shed and the shed over here. Now, what else have we got here? Is that a grizzle? Is it a grizzle? Can't see because of the sun. Dark grizzle hen. Hopefully Gyp's getting the ones that are coming there. Let's see. Dark grizzle hen. Right, let's see what's in here. I can see one sitting in the shed. There's another one. Yeah, they shouldn't be drinking before they go in, but they're thirsty. And we're only training. Let's say that was a good toss.